Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trapping so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
What up guys, it's your boy Tips, back again here for another video. On this episode, I'm going to show you some of the cars that we have in the crew. I'm not going to lie to you, the crew's pretty big, so this is only part 1. If you'd like to see the rest of the cars, you're going to have to come back. At this time, I just want to let you guys know. Damn, my 6 looks good. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this.
Isn't this sexy? Yo, I'm telling you, it's bright. Act like it's your car.
Lisa Cole is next year's feature model for mid-section.
Okay guys, that's the last car for today. If you'd like to see more, you're gonna have to tune in to part 2 of the series. I also want to give a big shout out to everybody in the squad for helping me work on this video. And everybody who subscribed to my channel, thank you for the love and support. Alright guys, catch you next time on the next episode of I Earned the Tips.